Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a single to your favorites in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the singles button at the bottom of the page, and then at the featured and the browse all section you can just find one that's appealing to you, and then you will be able to see all the single that is selected for this topic. And if you click on any of them and then click on this little heart button at the right side of the page, then you added it to your favorites list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.